Hey, what's up everybody? It's RG at Armadillo Junction. We're out here camping and I forgot I never showed y'all my haversack I built. So I'll go into detail and show you what I got going on here. Alright, start off on the outside. Got a oil tan leather. I made it about 12 by 12 and about 6 inches wide. On my side here I got the more knife strapped in. You can strap it so it's not going to come loose. On the other side I got a pocket just big enough for a smartphone or anything you want to put in there. All deer antler toggles. On the front flap we got a second flap inside. Keep stuff like maps and cutting board, little journal. Got the Armadillo Junction edition. If y'all want one, let me know. I made it big enough to put all the necessities for a day hike, messing around. Got a fire tender kit, also Armadillo Junction edition. It'll hold my hammock, tarp for the hammock. Got a complete cook kit. Put your water bottle inside, or you can hang it on one of the brass buckles here. Keep a good cotton cloth. Keep a bag with snacks, energy bars, soup, coffee. Got some extra cordage, an extra fire starter. Keep my neck knife in there, just a place to store it. And I got my limb saw. So hold everything you need for a day trip. I think it came in about 11 pounds fully stocked. It's kind of stock heavy. I wouldn't take it all the time. Sometimes I'll just throw my camera gear in there. Anyway, there you go, the haversack that I never showed y'all that I made. All right, got it loaded back. Got the haversack loaded back up. You can see the handles are removable. I mean the strap, it's removable. If you ever need to use it, you can use it for string together some firewood or something. Take it back to your camp. Everything's nice and easy to get to. Just slide it back behind you for walking or back around in front. You can dig in any pocket here. Like I said, you want to carry your water bottle on the back side, you can do that, so it's easy access also. Anyway, there's the haversack. Your one and only mountain man haversack. Till then, until next time, we'll see y'all down the road.